What modern gear can recreate 80s synth-pop sounds? Imagine stepping into a studio where the sounds of the 1980s come alive again. Today, you can do just that with modern equipment that captures the essence of that iconic era. Back in the 80s, synth-pop was all about synthesizers, drum machines, and sequencers replacing traditional instruments. These tools created those shiny, robotic melodies and punchy rhythms we still love. Now, with the right gear, you can produce similar sounds right at home or in a professional studio. One of the most popular modern synthesizers for recreating that classic vibe is the Korg Volca FM. It is small, portable, and uses frequency modulation synthesis, just like the Yamaha DX7 from the 80s. It even accepts patches from the DX7, making it easy to get authentic FM sounds. If you want a hybrid option, the Arturia Mini Freak is a great choice. It combines digital and analog synthesis, giving you a wide range of textures. You can craft warm pads, sharp leads, and everything in between, just like the synths that define the 80s sound. Another excellent synth is the Behringer DeepMind 12. It's a digital polyphonic synthesizer that produces lush, warm sounds. Its thick pads and bright leads are perfect for recreating the layered textures of 80s pop hits. When it comes to drums, the LinnDrum was the go-to machine back then. Today, many digital audio workstations include LinnDrum samples or emulations. You can find free sample packs that replicate the gated reverb snare and punchy kicks that made 80s drum sounds so distinctive. In production, the use of gated reverb on snare drums is essential. It creates that big, echoing sound that's instantly recognizable. Many modern plugins and software synthesizers come with presets designed specifically for 80s synth-pop. These can help you quickly dial in those treble-heavy melodies and simple drum patterns that define the genre. To sum up, modern gear like the Korg Volca FM, Arturia Mini Freak, and Behringer DeepMind 12 can help you craft authentic 80s synth sounds. Pair these with high-quality drum samples or emulations and classic production techniques like gated reverb. With these tools, you can produce music that captures the nostalgic, synthetic, and rhythmic spirit of the 1980s.